final. The wind is 070 at 4, clear to land, runway 35 right.
Clear to land 35 right, we're number 2, the present time for Canada 851, thank you.
3460 tower, good day, remain holding short.
Hold short,
Envoy 3460, line up runway 35 right.
Runway 35 right, runway 3460.
Heavy Calgary, target 8, you are number 1. One will be departing in front of your landing clearance. Closer in.
That's number 1, Air Canada 45, thanks.
Air Canada 851, exit Delta 6, contact ground 125.35, see you.
2535, Delta 6, Air Canada 851, thanks.
Air Canada 845, zone is 060 at 5, clear to land, runway 35 right.
Runway 35 right, Air Canada 845, thanks.
Right on,
Delta 6, contact ground 125.35, see you.
Delta 6, Delta 535, that's good.
Calgary, Calgary, number 18, you're Golf Papa November Echo, approach 35 right, to your discretion, we had day for 4. Papa November Echo, good day, anyone, you are number 1. On course 3270, contact departure 119 or 81 airborne, the one is 050. Watch it, 736 towers, the threshold, line up runway 35 right.